Welcome to Anytime Replay Optional Fields. After completing this topic, you will be able to set up and configure the Transaction Analysis and Optional Fields Creator module. This is a separate module that operates with all core Sage Accpac applications. Set up and assign optional fields in the modules themselves, and learn how to transfer field values from one module to another. Before we get into the module, let's discuss the setup process of the Transaction Analysis and Optional Fields Creator module. Optional fields are created within Common Services, since the same optional field can be used for multiple modules and accounting processes. Later, they are assigned in the individual modules to either a master record, such as a customer, or a transaction, such as invoice entry. When creating a new optional field, the field type is specified, such as text, amount, number, or date, and depending on the type, the length of the field is also specified. Optional fields can be validated against a predefined list of values, and one of these values can be selected as a default value when added to a record in the module. After the optional field is created, it is assigned to a module. Each module's setup group contains an optional fields icon, where it is assigned to a master record, or a transaction, or both. Unlimited numbers of optional fields can be assigned to either the master record, like a customer or vendor, or a transaction detail, such as the detail line of a journal entry or sales order. A default value can be assigned so that when an optional field is added to a record, a value is already entered into the field. In addition, the optional field can be automatically inserted into a new record. One of the most powerful features of the Optional Fields module is that values can be transferred from one transaction to another and from one module to another. Of course, the accounting functions must be integrated naturally. For example, an optional field value entered for a customer can transfer to an order entry invoice. However, an optional field value assigned in accounts payable does not transfer to accounts receivable. Let's take a look at the setup of optional fields within Common Services.